Hey there, welcome to this video. Beth here. I am making little shorts, experimenting with how to do that. Bear with me, it's clunky. And wanted to share a clip by McLeod, who spoke at the Journey Code Open House last week. And she said really beautiful things. So I want to make sure that you guys caught that. All right, so 1 second, I'll turn that on. And go ahead.
It's a real pleasure to be here. I too took Journey Code last fall, and yeah, the growth trajectory for me has been remarkable. And I just want to say that anyone considering taking Journey Code, you won't find, in my humble opinion, greater people to be in the room with. Salt of the earth, and the wisdom, the generosity, and the genuine compassion. I could just go on and on about the people in the room. So just wanted to say that right off the hop. And real quick, Beth's book, I was lost, and this book is my Bible, and like in the greatest sense of the word. And I highly, I know everyone would read it, will read it, but I just want to say that it did help me find my sacred purpose, and the archetypes are so profound, and I just use it all the time. Yeah, I had to start with that, and I'm going to try and be quick here. Yeah, breakthroughs, like, they're just ongoing, and I'm a little emotional, but like my family, yeah, that was the first profound one, being able to be a loving presence with them after so many years of like abject pain, and I love them, but when you see the programs running, that like I was able to find my programs, and then I see their programs, and it's just the work is so deep, and it's ongoing, and it's those tools that this work provides that are they're life changing. They have been for me anyway. I can only speak about what they've done, and that's what is life giving, and that's freedom for me. And yeah, I don't know. I'll leave it there. I'm a work in progress, but the dial, it just keeps ticking away, and it's yeah, best work of my life. So gratitude. Thank you.
So beautiful. That's amazing. And I'm really grateful that you were able to share your experience there. And I want to emphasize, she said ongoing breakthroughs. So don't think that you're going to get to the end of this and all your problems are solved forever, because life is full of problems and full of new challenges. The challenges actually, I shouldn't really say this, but they get harder, because you're not dealing with the other, maybe lower level, easier to handle challenges. You get more and more strong as you go, and you're able to take in more from your own unconscious and see to the depths of it. So if, this is the hero's journey, I always say it's not about just like taking the easy path. You'd be in the wrong place if that were the case. But the purposeful path, right? That's what Anne was talking about, the rewarding path, the path where you can not only be served by life, but you can serve and bring that elixir home, like Carolyn also expressed.